Right, this video is one called Compass Directions, one of a series of ones we'll be looking at determining position of places relative to each other. So, the important thing here is that we've got north and south are our principal directions.
Okay.
They never change. North and south are always opposite each other. And north points to the North Pole, or the magnetic North Pole, but north. The other principal direction is east and west, at right angles to the north-south line. And you must be careful that you do not get these two mixed up. East is always this side, west is always this side.
Okay.
If you get them mixed up, then the rest of the directions can get very confusing. So make sure you know those two. After that, we can consider some of the subdivisions. So let's look at the first lot of subdivisions. So here, north and south are our principal direction.
Okay.
So that takes precedence over the other. So this one here, this point here, which is between north and east, north takes precedence, so that is northeast.
Okay.
So here, south will take precedence, because that takes precedence over that, so this one will be southeast.
Okay.
So going round here, what do you think this one will be?
That will be northwest, because north takes precedence.
And this one?
Yes, same thing. South takes precedence, so southwest.
Okay, that's fine. Again, you've got to make sure you've got these the right way round,
Okay.
Otherwise you've got everything in a bit of a mess. Let's look at yet another subdivision. So these are all equally spaced then around the compass.
Okay.
So we've got northeast and north, so the point between them, north, south takes precedence, so that one will be
Northeast.
and then the one this side,
So east is going to take precedence, so it's east-northeast.
so proceeding round in the same vein.
Yep. Again, east takes precedence, so east-southeast. And then we have south-southeast, south-southwest. Then west now takes precedence, so west-southwest, west-northwest, and finally north takes precedence, so north-northwest.
So each of these are equally spaced round here. We had 90 degrees between the two principal directions, 45 degrees then if we had the first subdivision, so between northeast, east, southeast, south and so on, and then another subdivision gives us 22.5 degrees between those. You won't need to know any further subdivisions, but you will need to know these, but so long as you haven't got east and west mixed up, you should be able to derive all of the others.